One time like this, make it pop. One time like this, make it pop. Make it drop. Make it pop like this, like this. Pop like this, like this. This, like this. Drop like this, like this. One time like this, make it make it pop. Make it drop. Make it pop like this, like this. Pop like this, like this. This, like this. Drop like this, like this.
Let's learn Pop Like This. It's choreographed by Jose Miguel Belloque Vane. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts, but it does have slight step changes for the last 4 counts of walls 3 and 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the step changes on walls 3 and 4, and then we're going to go around and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Pop Like This. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a Dorothy forward with our right, so we're going to step our right foot forward but slightly into the right diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward. You're going to step your left foot forward but slightly into the left diagonal. You're going to lock your right foot in and behind your left, and as you lock your right foot in, you're going to hit your left knee up. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a 3/4 turn over our left shoulder. As we step back with our right, you're going to sweep your left from front to back. You'll be at 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a weave into the diagonal. We're going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot into the 130 diagonal, and as you step your left, you're going to hit your right knee up. And if you would like to, when you step, you can slightly rise up on the ball of your left foot as you hitch. Let's try it with some count weights on your left foot. You're doing your Dorothy. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot down into the 130 diagonal. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we lift both heels up. You're now facing 1030, and you're going to recover down onto your right foot. We're now going to do a kick ball change, kicking our left foot low and forward. Step your left next to your right, step your right next to your left. You'll still be facing the 1030 diagonal. We're now going to quickly step our left foot forward into the diagonal, and you're going to lock your right foot in and behind your left. You want to make sure that the ball of your right foot is close to your heel. We're now going to make a full unwind over our right shoulder, and as we unwind, we're going to put our weight onto our right foot. You're going to return to 1030. We're now going to step forward with our left into the 1030 diagonal, and you're going to lock your right foot in and behind your left, making sure that the ball of your right foot is near your left heel. We're now going to do a half unwind over our right shoulder. And as we unwind, we're going to put our weight onto our right foot. You're now facing 430. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just hitched. You're stepping down with that right foot into the 130 diagonal. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Weight is on your right foot. You're facing 430. We're going to do a ball walk. We're going to quickly step our left next to our right and do 2 walks forward, right, left. We're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over our left shoulder as we rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left and cross your right over your left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to make a 1/4 turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a 1/2 turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a 1/2 shuffle back, turning over our right shoulder. You're going to make a 1/4 turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left. Then you're going to make a 1/4 turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left to face 6 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our unwind facing 430. Weight is on your right foot. You're doing your ball walk. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a pony back with our right foot. So we're going to step back with our right, and as we step back, we're going to hitch our left knee up. You're going to step down onto the ball of your left foot and step back with your right and hit your left knee up. You're now going to do a left coaster step. Step your left foot back, right together, left forward. Now we're going to do a boogie walk forward. So we're going to quickly do right, left, right, left, right, left, and a brush. So we're going to step our right foot forward, and as we do it, we're going to push both knees to the right. Then we're going to quickly step with the left, push both knees to the left. Push, step with the right, push both knees to the right. Step with the left, push both knees to the left. Step with the right, push both knees to the right. Step with the left, push both knees to the left. And then you're going to do a brush forward with your right to end that section. So let's try it with some counts. Weight would be on your left foot. You're doing your right pony step back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your Dorothy. Dorothy and step, lock and hitch. 1/4, 3/4 sweep. Behind side diagonal hitch. Step, 1/4 heel bounce. Kick ball change. Step lock full unwind. Step lock half unwind. Ball walk. Walk 8, side rock, cross 1/4 back, half forward, half shuffle back. Pony, step left, coaster step, boogie walk, right, left, right, left, right, left, brush. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your Dorothy's. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, on the last 4 counts of walls 3 and 4, you're still going to do the boogie walks, but you're going to do them slow. So instead of doing a bunch of them forward, you're only going to end up doing it 2 to each side. On wall 3, you're going to do the boogie walk, where you push both knees to the right, both knees to the left, both knees to the right, both knees to the left. And it's all full counts. Wall 4 is going to be exactly the same, but you're going to add the brush at the end of those boogie walks before you start the dance all over again. So wall 3 is our front wall. You would dance all the way up until you did your coaster step with your left to face the back. You're going to do that slow boogie walk forward. Wall 3 has no brush. Wall 4 has the brush. So we'd be stepping forward with our right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you would start the dance all over again. The back wall is wall 4. You will dance all the way up until your left coaster step to face the front. And you're going to do that same boogie walk, but you're going to add a brush. So it would be 5, 6, 7, 8, and then an extra count before you start the dance all over again. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance through both step changes so that you know how it flows. Weight starts on your left foot. You're doing your Dorothy. Dorothy, diagonal step, lock and hitch. Quarter, three-quarter sweep. Behind side diagonal hitch. Step, quarter heel bounce. Kick, ball, change, step, lock, full unwind, step, lock, half unwind. Ball, walk, walk, eighth side, rock, cross, quarter, back, half forward, half shuffle, back, right pony, step, left, coaster, step, boogie walk, right, left, right, left, right, left, brush. Dorothy, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. This one's going to have the slowed down boogie walks. Dorothy, with your step, lock and hitch, quarter, three-quarter sweep, behind side diagonal hitch, step, quarter heel bounce, kick, ball, change, step, lock, unwind, step, lock, half turn. Ball, walk, walk, eighth side, rock, cross, quarter back, half forward, half shuffle, back. Pony, step, coaster, step, slow boogie walk, right, left, right, left. Now you're going to do the slow boogie walk with your brush. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you would go into your next wall with your Dorothy and your step, lock, and hitch. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn pop like this. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.